Bit of a vintage old sort of boombox. This has been in the family for a long time, and yeah, my father gave it to me to have a look at. He says it's not turning on anymore. I've got some pretty good memories from my childhood with this stereo being around, so it'd be nice to fix it up. We'll just have a look at what's going on. And yeah, like I said, it's not switching on. It's plugged in now, so it should be powered. There's really nothing going on there. I thought maybe the switch is just a bit flaky, but it's not that, so we'll have to pull it open and have a bit of a look. Now I'll start by releasing these speakers. They've got this little release mechanism. Quite an old style plug, that one. So I've just noticed there's a 12 volt input on the back here, so maybe I'll just try powering up with that. See if we have any luck with that. That's a lot of batteries. Yeah, let's start with that. Unplug that. See if it'll power up off 12 volt. Now I can't actually find a plug back. I know I've got plenty of them, but it's not at hand, so I'm just going to power it up off just a benchtop power supply. So just make sure I've got the polarity right. Center positive. It's all good. Yeah, it's not drawing any current. So let's open it up and have a look. Before I try opening it up, I think I might just try powering it off the battery. Negative, positive. Nothing. Turns out these screws are really deep, so just got this handy. It's not my screwdriver of choice, but get the job done. And there's some seriously long screws. You won't find anything like that in a modern day device, I'm sure. I'm sure that's not a cheap screw. So I might just start by unplugging a few of these connectors, get them out of the way. So that's speaker left and speaker right. And it's a supply. That one there. It's pretty filthy under there. So it looks like all the supplies go through this one board. It's got a couple of caps on it. Not too sure what else is going on in there. It's a bit hard to see, so I might just I'll unscrew it and have a bit of a look at what's going on in there. Wow, I can't say I've ever seen rectifier diodes that look like that. maybe the diode's in that area. I'm not too sure. Nothing really obviously wrong there. So I've just powered it up. I'm just going to make sure we're getting 12 volt through this connector. Well, I'm assuming that's what is coming out of the transformer there. Yeah, maybe not. It's a bit hard to see, but one of those pins doesn't look like it's got its springiness anymore. So let's try that. So I'm just going to try plugging it in. Again, I might just give it a bit of a jiggle or something. Maybe that's all the problem is. No speakers connected. Maybe if I put it on tape. There's not much going on. Yeah, it's just a dodgy connection. You can hear the... That's all it is. So while I'm in here, I've noticed the belts are completely shot. Wow, look at that, it's turned into goop. That's disgusting. There seem to be 2 belts. Perhaps even 3. So I'll swap them out and get the tape deck up and running as well. I'm guessing that's about right. So I reckon the receptacle inside this pin is, inside this connector has had it, so I might just try and pop them out. Yeah, if you look closer, that one's all sort of expanded out. I wonder if just... Oh, yeah, it's knackered. So I've given it a bit of a clean, connector soldered up. I think I'm just going to put it all back together and hope for the best. It's mostly back together. I thought I'd just give it a quick crack before I screw it all back together. Seems to power up.
No. They'll be able to see the steel before the concrete's poured. Let's say 6.
I've pretty much given you almost every...
Whilst cracking open that cold one. Well done, Joel.
Thank you.
Actually sounds quite good. Very sharp sound. Haven't got a tape handy, but let's see if that's moving. Actually, I'll go see if I can find a tape. Very old tape. Let's see what it does. Seems to work. Cool. Okay, that's it.